So we've got a denture here, we've got a MEDIT scanner, and what we're going to do is scan the occlusal surface of the denture teeth, then the fit surface of the denture teeth, and then digitally send that, merge it all, and send it over to the laboratory.
Okay, so here we are in the MEDIT system, and I'm going to show you how to set up the form for a copy denture. So we've created a new case, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the arch tab on the bottom left. Okay, we're going to select the arch the denture is on. You can select both here if you're doing both dentures. And we're going to come to the denture tab on the right. Okay, and to select denture replica, and then we're going to select the shade. Okay, and then we're going to press scan as normal, and we're going to go into the scanning software and do the denture.